Hi guys, this is AJ Phoenix, and I'm just letting you know, it's like a quick video, just to say that in December, I'm going to be doing 2 unboxings, but you'd have to stay tuned to find out what they are. But it'll be either day after Christmas, because you have family time, so please respect that. I would have thought you would anyway. But a day after, or 2 days, you'll be seeing 2 unboxing videos of what's coming here. You're gonna love. And I think that's it. Yeah. And see you again. Bye guys. Oh, like, subscribe, favorite. Thank you guys. See ya.